you again after such a long break. And I hope all of you had fun in your summer vacations. Yes, did you? Did you play a lot? Did you eat healthy food? Did you take care of yourself? Your family? You did. Very good. And I am so happy to see all of you. But you know what, kids? Summer vacation is over. Summer vacation is over. So we are going to go back to studying. Go back to studying. Yes. So kids, before the summer vacations, I hope all of you remember that we did second chapter. Yes. Okay. But before moving forward, I want all of you to open page number 16 of your book. Yes. And you know what, kids? What is the picture that you can see? Do you know what is that? You don't know? Okay. Let me tell you what is that. It is a keyboard. It is a keyboard. And you know what, kids? Keyboard is also a part of a computer. Part of a computer. But what does it do? How does it help us? So, a keyboard helps us to type. Helps us to type. Now, if you can see on the screen, there is a picture of the keyboard. Yes. And what is the shape? It is rectangle. Very good. It is rectangle. Now, what all can you see there? Yes, you can see numbers. Very good. What else? Correct. You can see letters. Yes. Oh, yes. You can see arrow keys too. Very good. But do you know what two keys we are going to study about today? We are going to study about caps lock key and enter key. Caps lock key and enter key. Kids, let us look at the picture of the keyboard in the book. Now, can you see the key which is highlighted in green? You can see it? Yes. So, that is a caps lock key. That is a caps lock key. C-A-P-S. Caps means capital. Lock. L-O-C-K. Lock. So, when we press caps lock key on the keyboard, whatever letter you type or you press is going to be seen as capital letters. Is going to be seen as capital letters. Yes, but don't worry, kids. I'm going to show you how to use it. Yes. So, I hope you understand why do we use caps lock key? We use it to type capital letters. To type capital letters. Yes. The second key which we are going to study about is enter. So, let us go back to the picture of the keyboard and see the key. Quickly, kids, everybody in your book, can you find the enter key? Yes? Oh, very good. You found it. Excellent, kids. Please clap for yourself. Yes. does the enter key do? How does it help us? So, the enter key helps us to go from one line to another and then another. So, a enter key helps us to go down. Helps us to go down. Okay. But kids, again, do not worry. I will show you how it is done. Now, you have understood what is caps lock key? It helps us to type capital letters. Very good. And enter key? It helps us to go to the next line. Helps us to go to the next line. Okay. Now kids, let us do this on the computer. Are you ready? I am very much ready to teach you this. But before that, I want all of you to open your computers with help of Mama and Papa. And if you know what button to press, you can do it yourself. Now kids, after opening the computer with help of your parents, you will see after some time a screen similar to this is going to come. Okay? And again, with help of your parents, I want you to open WordPad on the computer. So how do you spell WordPad? W-O-R-D-P-A-D. WordPad. So after you have opened WordPad with help of your parents, you will see a screen, something similar to this is going to come, and at the top of it, WordPad is written. What is written? WordPad. Yes. And kids, as we have studied in the earlier video, whatever we want to type, we are going to type with help of a keyboard. With help of a keyboard. Yes. And in page number 16 of your computer book, we studied about caps lock. We studied about caps lock. Okay. C-A-P-S. Caps. So caps means capital. L-O-C-K means lock. So whenever you press this caps lock, whatever letters you type are going to come capital. Are going to come capital. Okay. So now I have pressed it and let us see what happens on the screen. What happens on the screen. Okay. So now I am pressing Q. I have pressed Q. So as you can see on the screen, capital Q has come. Yes? Okay. Again, I have pressed W, E, R, T, Y. As you can see, while I keep on pressing the letters, all the letters which are appearing on the screen are capitals. Which are appearing on the screen are capitals. So, the caps lock key or button helps us to type capital letters. To type capital letters. Now kids, as you know that with help of the caps lock key, we can type capital letters. So, I want all of you to type A to Z alphabets on the screen with me. But do you know what is the interesting part? You have to hunt for the letters because they are everywhere. Yes, they are not written as A, B, C, D. No, you have to search for it. Okay, so let's see. A, B, C, D, E, F. Are you able to do it? Yes? Okay, quickly search for G also. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Yes. So, I hope all of you have typed alphabets in capital letters. And you know what, kids? What if I want to type my own name? What should I do? So you know what? There is another key or a button on the keyboard I want to tell you about. This key is called Enter. This key is called Enter. So you know what, kids? When you have to come inside the class, you take permission for the teacher if you can enter the class or not. In the similar way, when I press enter, can you see this blinking line? It goes down. It goes down. Now see, I am pressing enter and the blinking line has come down. It has come down. So, when you want to go from one line to the next line, you are going to press enter. You are going to press enter. So now kids, when I have pressed enter, I am going to type my name and all the letters of my name are all going to be in capitals or all going to be in capitals. Now, when I type my name, I want all of you to type your name. So, this is the spelling of my name, but you will type your name. So now kids, we have typed alphabets in the capital letter. Yes. And when you had to type your name, you came in the second line. Yes. So, to come in the second line, you pressed enter. But now, you have to type your computer teacher's name. So, what will you do? You will press enter and come in the next line. So, this is your third line. And over here, you are going to type your computer teacher's name. D I V Y A. So kids, there are few examples written of 3-letter words in your book on page number 16. So, we are going to type all those words in capital letters. Yes. So, again, when I have to come down, I am going to press enter. Okay, kids. So, the first 3-letter word in your book is cat. C-A-T. T. Cat. Now I hope all of you are also typing with me. And if you cannot understand, I want you to see this video again. Okay. The second word is bat. B-A-T. Bat. And again, to come down, I am going to press enter. Very good. Oh, I'm sure all of you have understood this now. Whenever you want to come down, you are going to press enter. You are going to press enter. Okay. The next word is P-O-T, pot. What is the next word? P-O-T, pot. Very good. And the last word in the book is P-E-T, pet. P-E-T, pet. Now kids, after typing everything such as the alphabets, your name, computer teacher's name, and the words given on page number 16 in your computer book, I want all of you to save this with help of your mama and papa. Kids, I hope all of you understood why we use caps lock key and why we use enter. So, I hope all of you have done this. If not, please keep on trying it. You have to practice at home. So, now what will you practice at home? Now, for the recap, you have to type alphabets in capital letters. But with help of what key? Yes, with help of caps lock key. With help of caps lock key. And kids, with help of your parents, I want all of you to save whatever you have done on WordPad, and with help of your parents, you have to email it to Divya ma'am. You have to email it to Divya ma'am. Now kids, I hope all of you are still doing what I told you. Yes, and that is wash your hands, eat healthy food, keep yourself clean, and exercise every day. Exercise every day. Very good. And kids, I want all of you to practice typing with help of the keyboard. And I will see you in the next class. Bye.